We are working on irregular plural nouns, and these are the nouns that you cannot just add s or es to, and we've done this before. So on this paper, you're just going to just find the words that have two syllables. Remember, two syllables are things like people that are broken into two chunks, and men would be a one-syllable word. So you're just going to follow the spelling patterns on this page and write the words in the different categories here. Um, that's that first page. On the second page, oops, that's not the second page. On the second page should be this one. And again, it is a very similar set of words. And now you're just going to write down the definition of what these mean. So more than one man is one of these words up the top. More than one woman, and so on. Here you will write the spelling word to complete each sentence to make a sentence true. So just read the sentence, put the spelling word on top that makes the sentence true.